Hello everyone, a warm welcome to our YouTube channel. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin with today's journeys with new thoughts. So, today's thought is, every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile and start again with positivity. Here today we are doing here enrichment question of chapter 1. Chapter 1 name is square and square roots. We are doing here question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. So let's begin. Our question number 1 of enrichment question is, the product of two number is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, find the number. In this question we have given that the product of two number is 1296. Let us suppose if one number is x, then second number is, if one number is 16 times the other, find the number. Let first number be x, then second number is 16 times the other, means 16 multiplied by x, and the 16x multiplied by x. Two numbers here, its product is equal to 1296. So let's start with writing answer. Here I write question number 1 answer. Question number 1 answer. So let first number is equal to, let first number FIRST, first number NUMBER, number is equal to x, then the other is 16 times the other. Then second number is equal to SCCOND, second number NUMBER, number is equal to 16x, 16 multiplied by x is equal to 16x. Then the given, according to the question, the product PRODUCT, product of two numbers is equal to 1296. So our first number is x multiplied by second number is 16x, x multiplied by 16x, and their product is equal to 1296. 16x multiplied by x is equal to 16x ka square is equal to 1296. Here I write as 16 ka square. So is equal to 1296 divided by this 16. Here 16 multiplied by x square. Now 16 I write here. Here from this multiplication 16 it turns into division. Now x square is equal to, now we can divide 1296 divided by 16. So 16 81s are 1296. So x square is equal to 81. Now I can remove from here square, this square I can remove. I write here only x. X is equal to this 81 and then square root, under root. Now I write here x and square root of 81 is equal to 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. This form a pair. Now I write only one number from here. From this 9 9s are. So I write only 1 9 here. Square root of 81 is 9. Now we find out the value of x. Now we put the value of x in the first number and second number. So let's I write here first number is equal to x and x is equal to 9. So our first number is 9. Now I write here second number SCCOND, second number NUMBER, number is equal to 16x is equal to 16 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9 6 is 54. 4 here, 5 is the carry, and 9 1 is a 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So here our answer is first number is equal to 9 and second number is equal to 144. 9 and 144 are the answer of this question. Now we can do our question number 2. find the value of this under root 50,625 and hence the value of under root 506.25 plus under root 5.0625. We have to find the value of this and this, and we can find out the square root of this by the long division method. So write down answer. Let's begin with writing the answer of question number 2. I write here question number 2 answer. So we can solve this by the long division method. I write here 50625. Then we can solve it by long division method. We have to find the square root of this. Now make a pair. I make here pair. Here 5 is a lone pair of 0, 6 and 2. 5. 2 pairs are formed here. So 2 2s are 4. Minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now 0, 6 will be bring down. I have to multiply 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Now I have to write here 2. 42 multiply by, I write here 2 multiply by same number to 42. 42 multiply by 2. I write here 84. Now 106 minus 84. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Now this 25 will be bring down here. Now 22 multiply by 2. 22 multiply by 2 is equal to 44. I write here 44. Now I have to find a number. I find a number here 5. 445 multiply by same number, this 5 is equal to this same number 2225. This minus same number is equal to 0. So square root of this 50,625 is 525. Now we have to find the value of this and this. Under root 506.25 plus under root 5.0625. Let's do our second part. I write here under root given 506.25 plus under root 5.0625. Here after decimal, this only form one pair here. After decimal, here form only one pair. So I write here 22.5. Before I put decimal before one number, that is 5. Before 5, because after decimal it form here only one pair. Plus after decimal it forms here 1, 2 pairs here. So I write here 2.25. I put a decimal before two numbers. So add them. 22.5 plus 2.25. Put decimal in down of a decimal. So I add them in the rough work. 22.5 plus 2.25. I put here 0. Place decimal in down of a decimal. Then add them 5. 0 plus 5. 5 plus 2 7. Then point 2 plus 2 4. And here 2. Our answer is 24.75. 24.75. This is our answer of this question. I hope you will understand this. Now we will do here our question number 3 of enrichment question, and our question number 3 is find the Pythagorean triplet if one number is 14, and we know that the Pythagorean triplet are 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Firstly we have to find the value of m, then put the value of m in m square minus 1 and then in m square plus 1. So it's very simple. Let's begin. I write here Question number 3 answer. So I write here 2m comma m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplet. So now we have to find the value of m from 2m. 2m is equal to, in question they have given that one number is equal to 14. So 2m is equal to 14. m is equal to 14 divided by this 2. 2 ones are 2, 10, 2 sevens are 14. Here m is equal to 7. Now we have to put this m is equal to 7 in m square minus 1. So m square minus 1 is equal to, put the value of 7 here. M is equal to 7. 7 ka square minus 1. 49 minus 1. This is equal to 48. Now similarly we can calculate m square plus 1. M square plus 1. Now again put the value of m is equal to 7. 7 ka square plus 1. 7 sevens are 49 plus 1 is equal to 49 plus 1 is equal to, we have here 50. M square minus 1 is equal to 48. M square plus 1 is equal to 50. Now we have to put the value of m in 2m. Now we have to put the value of m in 2m. So here 2m is equal to 2 multiplied by this 7 is equal to 14. Here m square minus 1 is equal to 48 and m square plus 1 is equal to this 50. So this 14, 48 and 50 are our answer. So in this way we find out the answer of these questions. So stay connected with us for next video. Thank you everyone.